Safety experts are still debating what killed racing legend Dale Earnhardt at the Daytona 500 2 months ago. Earlier reports pointed to equipment failure, but a new report came out this week. Ward Lucas and John Fosholt of the I-Team have been taking a closer look. This one downplays the equipment problems.
Yes, it does. In fact, the court-appointed examiner said Earnhardt's death had nothing to do with seatbelts or helmets. That infuriates some crash experts who say the evidence was not examined. They claim the public is being misled about the importance of safety equipment.
Yeah, it goes up here. They're in contact.
Jim Gilbert is a Denver attorney who's investigated hundreds of car accidents. He's also a racing enthusiast, and he thinks Dale Earnhardt could have survived if he had been wearing a more protective helmet.
A full-face helmet would have distributed those forces and might have prevented his death.
Gilbert is also troubled by reports that a safety harness broke in the accident. He compares Dale Earnhardt Sr.'s accident with a strangely similar accident a week later involving Dale Earnhardt Jr. The father's safety belt failed and he died. The son's belt held. He walked away.
He didn't hit the steering wheel because his seat belt kept him off the steering wheel. If his seat belt had broken like his father's the week before, who knows?
But an investigator appointed by a Florida court has discounted the equipment problems. Dr. Barry Myers looked at autopsy photographs and concluded Dale Earnhardt Sr.'s death was caused by whiplash. He said the broken safety belt and the open-faced helmet did not contribute to the fatal injuries. Jim Gilbert says that Myers' report is a whitewash of the incident. A leading forensic pathologist agrees.
I find it basically absurd.
Dr. Joe Burton says it's obvious that Earnhardt's head struck the interior of the car. He wonders how Myers could have concluded otherwise.
Somewhere along the way he missed something if he believes that you can create this fracture pattern without an impact.
Jim Gilbert says he's concerned that people will get the wrong message about the value of safety equipment.
Well, what is the public to take away from this? That seat belts don't make a difference? They do. They make a tremendous difference.
One of the doctors of the Daytona racetrack initially said the broken lap belt could have killed Earnhardt, but today he told reporters he may have been wrong.
What's NASCAR saying about all this?
Well, the racing organization is conducting its own investigation of the accident, but that report's not going to be out for several months.
All right. Thanks, Ward.